Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Philip and I am a software architect. Today I'm super excited to share something special with you. We are going to build a real-world enterprise-level microservices system. And guess what? We are using the coolest and most modern tech stack, including Kubernetes, Dapr and bunch of other awesome tools. Stick around, I tell you more in a bit. Now, this series of videos is going to be a bit different from other out there. Why? Because we are taking a hands-on, practical approach. Here is the story. 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 My wife is an incredible tattoo artist, and she needs a system to manage her customers. Think of it as a special CRM for tattoo studios, hair and beauty salons, and more. Check out her amazing work in the link below. Now, together we are going to build this up. And the best part, the approach and patterns we use can be applied to any enterprise or global system. Let's dive into the big picture of our application. This is the big picture of our application. The first part, which I will describe, is Kubernetes. Here. We choose Kubernetes because, well, it's the rock star of orchestration. Hold tight, because in the next video I will split all details about why Kubernetes is our go-to choice. Another element is ingress controller. Before you get too curious, we are skipping the ingress controller this time. It's a part of Kubernetes and we will save it for a special feature down the road. API management / API gateway or backend for frontend. It's another component. It's our central point of communication. We are rolling with Oscilled for our app, but hey, you are got options. Choose from KrakenD, Microsoft Azure API Management, APG, and many others. For asynchronous communication, we've got Apache Kafka. It's our messaging system, making sure things flow seamlessly behind the scenes. Single-page application, our app's beautiful face. Maybe not in my case, but definitely in your case. It's the face of our app and we are building it with Microsoft Blazor. If that's not your jam, feel free to go for React, Angular, Vue or any other front-end framework. MongoDB is our NoSQL document database, perfect for a document kind of data. For all relational things, we've got PostgreSQL. It's a perfect place for our relational data. Meet the heart of our application. These are our microservices, each doing its superhero thing. Dapr as a sidecar. Dapr is distributed application runtime. It's the unifier for our microservices development. We will unravel its magic in the future chat. Another sidecar is Service Mesh, which is responsible for managing traffic flow across our microservices. Identity management, handling authorization and authentication, we decided to use open source system Keycloak. But hey, feel free to choose another system. We are done now with our big picture, but there are another layers of the stack. OpenTelemetry. We are diving into metrics, logs and traces with OpenTelemetry. Our choice? New Relic, but there are plenty of other awesome implementations out there. CI/CD, automated deployment magic. Continuous integration and continuous delivery deployment, CI/CD, is our automated deployment magic. Thanks to Kubernetes and Helm, it's going to be a breeze. We are rolling with Microsoft DevOps for this one. Dev Platform. Our development platform is Microsoft.NET, but feel free to wander into any other platform. Thanks to microservices architecture, you can mix and match languages and platforms. Here are some components we will be flexing. REST API will be ASP.NET Core, UI, Blazor, CQRS will be supported by Mediator, validations, we will use Fluent validation, and few more surprises in store. Testing, I prefer integration test over simple unit test. Postman and Newman are our trusted solution, making sure everything is on point. And last stop, architecture and design. External architecture, event-driven microservices. We are crafting our external architecture with an event-driven approach for our microservices, internal architecture and layered and CQRS and more. Persistency, relational, NoSQL document database, event sourcing, business logic organization, domain-driven design, transaction script for simple services, analysis, event storming, UML, Archimate, synchronous communication, REST API, gRPC, asynchronous communication, messaging, Kafka. So, if you are ready to build something awesome, learning cutting-edge tech, and maybe even impress your friend with your new skills, hit that subscribe button and let's get started on this exciting journey together. I am Philip and I can't wait to see what we will create together.